Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss some important stock market update. Along with that, I will analyze the Nifty Bank chart and will find out the important levels, support and resistance for next week. So, to know the important stock market update and Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock in news update, and of course, indices levels update all in one video. So let's start video, but let me first tell you all that important information that I'm going to post important stock in news video tomorrow. Tomorrow means on Sunday. Sunday I'm posting the important stock in news, which is in news because of some corporate action. I will discuss all the thing about that stock, the fundamental technical levels, and the related news, Q1 update, everything. All I will discuss in that tomorrow video, Sunday video. You should definitely go through that video on Sunday, and along with that I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart also for the Nifty 50 next week levels. So please go through that video. I'm posting on Sunday, and today is for Nifty Bank, of course. So let's start video with the important update which came in the last week, and that is FOMC outcome which was on 30th, means यहाँ के हिसाब से 31st को न्यूज आया था. So that was FOMC meeting was actually supposed to happen in this week. So that happened on 30th July, and that happened. And the outcome, FOMC outcome, is US Federal Reserve keeps interest rate unchanged. So means interest rate is same as before. इंटरेस्ट रेट में कोई भी चेंज नहीं किया गया है फ्रॉम द एफओएमसी यूएस फेडरल, एंड द interest rate is totally unchanged from the FOMC. So this was important update. तो इसकी वजह से कोई यस डिस्कशन जरूर हुआ है that people are wanting to cut the rate, but that may happen in next FOMC meeting, which is I guess scheduled in September. So let's see what happens in September. Rate is cutting or not, that we'll see in September FOMC meeting. But this time they have not touched the interest rate, and interest rate is totally unchanged. Now let's second news. Trump tariff is not allowing to breathe the stock market. Yes, really it is happening. And what I feel that this 2025, this year 2025 is going to pass like this only, in consolidation, is in uncertainty. There is no certainty, and what is happening, that market is not performing, and that start falling because of the news. Sometimes it's going up and sometimes it's going down. Totally consolidation is going on in Nifty and even Nifty Bank also. So this is the big thing, like Trump tariff is not actually not certain, and again this Trump has imposed a tariff, 25% tariff on India. So I will discuss it one by one. That number one, that Trump confirms the April 2nd tariff exemption, and that remain in effect under this order of 14,257. So that's the same tariff जो कि 2 अप्रैल को आने वाला था, वही एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है. And this is August 1st notification from the White House. So same tariff is going to execute. And number two is the metal, like copper, steel, all the metal, pharma, and this auto component and auto sector is all the item from this is still exempt from the tariff, reciprocal tariff. And this came on today, means August 1st notification. And number three is as per Trump August 1st notification, all previous exemption announced on 2nd April 2025 hold. This all three thing was important, and this happened on 1st August only. I'm talking about 1st August, Friday. And yes, one more thing that I just discussed, the metal or auto or pharma, all थ्री सेक्टर और कॉपर, इसमें कॉपर स्टील सब कुछ आता है, स्टे एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम द रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ, बट सेक्टोरल टैरिफ स्टिल पॉसिबल। अभी और भी बम्बार्डमेंट आ सकता है, सम मोर बम्बार्डमेंट कमिंग फ्रॉम द ट्रम्प, सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट। और ये सेक्टोरल टैरिफ्स भी हो सकते, इट मे बी सेक्टोरल टैरिफ। So this all happening from the Trump, and which is very very means alarming for the stock market. It is not allowing, even not allowing stock market to breathe nicely, to perform nicely, to go up. No, even till now the Nifty 50 could not touch the all time high again. So this is very like uncertain situation is going on, और मुझे लगता है कि इस 2025 में, जिसमें कि 6 month तो already has gone, is going to spend like this only, going to pass like this only. This uncertainty will keep this Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, even the stock market in grip, will not allow to breathe and move nicely. So again, this is the negative trigger has come in stock market from the Trump, and the uncertainty is going on. So number two, number three, one important news also is there of from GST collection. Yes, GST collection data came from the government, and government collects 1.6 rupees, 1.96, sorry, government collects rupees 1.96 lakh crore as GST in July, whole July, up 7.5% Y on Y, ईयर ऑन ईयर। जो ये जीएसटी कलेक्शन इंक्रीज हुआ है, और इट हैज कम टू 7.5%, and in money, in amount, it is 1.96 lakh crore. So GST collection is up, that is thumbs up, of course positive news. But the Trump tariff is giving the trigger to stock market, and that is negative news. And I will show the effect in Nifty Bank chart. You will see how the market is not performing. Let's now quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart, and I will show you what all happening since last week, how the market, how the Nifty Bank is not performing at all, can't perform because of these triggers. So you can see here I have drawn these two trend lines, which is downside and this is upside. That this line I kept drawing always, uh, this line, which is every time this is all time high, new all time high. But yes, you can see still it is under this trend line, which is showing the Nifty Bank is still consolidating within some this range. So downside, you can see here what all happening last week. Last week, full week, sorry, whole week, 1 2 3 4, even 5, whole week it was consolidating in this zone, which was I can see 56,100 तो उसने break कर ही दिया था। 50, we can say 56,300, 56,300 से लेके नीचे की साइड में 55,600, 55,600 टू 56,300, ओके। इसके बीच में होल वीक द निफ्टी बैंक हैज कंसोलिडेटेड, और यू कैन सी even could not go, even it is going down, we can see here. And today on Friday it has closed even 55,600, exact 55,600 का जो एक support level, still it is there. I'm not taking this support now, but yes, this support is also very important of 55,600, which it has touched. It has touched, even closed above 55,600. You can see here it is closed above 55,600, closed even 55,617, okay, exact figure. And 55,600 को भी इसने break कर दिया था. So already it has broken the 55,600. So we can see if it is possible that it is going even beyond that 55,600. तो इसको break करके वो इस trend line पे तो आएगा ही आएगा. It will come here. This trend line is very important because you can see here, from here it has given a very good breakout, okay. taken resistance here. This line is also very important. You can see here and here also. Here also it has taken support. So this line is what is 54,300. 54,000. You can see 54,300. The 54,300 is very important support, has become very important support, which was earlier a resistance, good resistance. But it will come here till here only after breaking this important support of 55,200. 55,200 का ये ट्रेंड लाइन अगर ब्रेक होता है ऑन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट वीक ओनली, सो it may come to 54,300 also, which is 1,000 around, yes. 54,200, 55,200 से 54,300, 900 point, मतलब 900 to 1,000 point it will fall more after breaking this 55,200. So it is very alarming situation is coming up now. We have to watch this level 55,200 is very important next week. अभी तो ये 55,600 पे ही है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ये ब्रेक कर चुका है. तो आई डोंट सी कि इट इज गिव अ वेरी बिग पॉजिटिव मूव फ्रॉम हियर. it should touch actually here, then it may take reversal. But yes, ये एक second level और I can give if it's breaking this level. But I hope it should not break. I should take reversal from here only. This is the means अगर ये break करता है तब you should think about this level. So this is very important support, these two. But earlier this and resistance, तो इसका you can see in narrow, पूरा broad ही होता जा रहा है. तो we can't see where it is going to touch again or not. 58,200 around it is, yes, 58,200 again, resistance looking here, I can see here. So we'll see if it's coming till here in next week only, or short term में कभी आएगा जरूर ये यहाँ पर. So then we'll check and update about this resistance level. But अभी इसके ऊपर I can't see it is going. और यहाँ पे भी आने में इसको काफी मीन्स 1 or 2 weeks टाइम लग सकता है, वो भी इफ देयर इज एनी गुड एंड पॉजिटिव न्यूज. एज आई जस्ट मेंशन दैट जीएसटी कलेक्शन इज अप, so it may be a positive news for the stock market. But let's see, it will now it is Friday, market is closed, so Monday we'll see what happens. So this resistance 58,200 will be a good resistance. Overall, if I go to conclusion, we can see the important support, this is 55,200, and then breaking this 55,200, then 54,300 imminent. But still I'm talking about this level, but I'm in final level, I'm not going to this level, going to give this level now. But yes, you should definitely keep this level in your mind for next week. But important level is only 55,200 only. So I have discussed all update about FOMC outcome, the GST data, and the Trump tariff also. One by one I have discussed all the things. So this is very important, and the important level for the Nifty Bank I have discussed. I will repeat the level again for you all. That Nifty Bank important support is 55,200 and resistance is 58,200 for next week. So please do not forget to watch the video I'm posting on Sunday of stock in news. I will disclose the stock name in that video only, and I will discuss all the important thing about that stock, so that you can decide what you can do for the that corporate action, everything. So please watch that video for the stock in news and for the Nifty 50 level also, and like and share the video, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock in news update, and indices weekly update in stock market pulse. Signing off.